For most people with rounded forward shoulders, I like to use this 4-step protocol for getting rid of tender and trigger points and also strengthening this area. Typically, there are trigger points in the medial border of the scapula, and you're going to find them right along there. You can use 3 fingertips to palpate to see where there is a tender or trigger point. And then once you've located it, you can use a reinforced fingertip, 2 fingertips, and then you're going to hold for 30 to 90 seconds or until the pain decreases. Now, after you've done that, if that's not working, another thing I like to do, step 2, is a strain counter strain technique. So I'll bring the arm across the back and then I'll reach around to the shoulder and I'm just shortening the muscle into my fingertips. This is going to reduce gamma motor neuron activity by placing the rhomboid muscles in a slackened position, decreasing nociceptive input, and allowing the muscle to relax further. You can hold this for 30 to 90 seconds and kind of fine tune the movement until it feels like the muscles are relaxing under your fingertips. Now, step 3, after the trigger point, after the strain counter strain technique, is to use a little bit of heat, and I like to use hot stones. This is going to enhance circulation, soothe residual tension, and boost parasympathetic activation. This is a really nice way to relax the body, bring the client down a bit after those kind of tender or trigger points have been touched. And then once we do this, after you've used the hot stone for a couple minutes, then we're going to get into the strengthening exercise. To strengthen the rhomboid muscles, you want to have the arms out to the side at shoulder height with the thumbs pointing up, forming a T shape. The neck's in neutral, the forehead can rest on the face rest, and then they're going to contract the scapula, so they're going to squeeze the shoulder blades together. So I'm just going to show you guys one more time here. You're going to get them to relax their shoulders, bring them down, and then you're going to place your fingertips in the area where you want the client to contract. Get them to get their thumbs to point up towards the ceiling. And then they're going to hold this position for about 10 seconds. Then they're going to relax, and then you can repeat this 3 to 5 times. Some key cues here are to avoid upper trapezius dominance, focus on squeezing those rhomboid muscles, and keep the arms externally rotated with the thumbs up for a bias towards rhomboid activation.